This is Peter Mao. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, 14806 Hartsook Street, Sherman, California. I'll be answering through the front left side layout. In a brief moment, we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line as that provides the clearest video. We're about 63 feet into the main sewer line where it ties in with the city sewer at a depth of 7 feet. I'll be making my way back towards the access point. What you're seeing on the screen, that's the city sewer pipe. It runs about 6 inches in diameter, currently within clay piping. As I pull back just a little bit, we're within the 4-inch diameter clay piping. So this is, from here on out, this is on the homeowner's responsibility, everything that you're seeing at this point. So, things I'm looking out for within the clay piping, looking out for any kind of root intrusion, offsets, and cracks. Those are probably the most common things that you're going to see within the clay line. So we did just see a bit of root intrusion, and typically roots will grow in at the joints of the clay because of what's called an offset. And offsets are very commonly seen within clay. It allows for a little bit of moisture to seep out of the pipe, and then in turn the roots want to grow into wherever there's water. That's because that's their nutrients. So the root intrusion, it's not causing any blockages at the present time of inspection. It's very minor at the moment. However, root intrusion is typically a reoccurring problem, so if you give it enough time, it'll grow a little bit more, and then that could cause blockage in the future. The distance indicator is going on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. So as I'm pulling back, that number will actually be decreasing. Water was ran prior to this inspection, which is why you're seeing a little bit of water just kind of flowing at the moment. And in this case, this root intrusion over here, so it's more than the others that we saw previously. In this case, I will recommend that the line gets hydrojetted. What a hydrojet is basically a pressure washing on the line. It'll clear out any debris and roots that have built up over time within the sewer line. In here we have a transition between clay and ABS. So ABS is typically seen underneath the house. Sometimes in this case you'll see it go underneath the front side of the house, the front lawn area, and then it eventually transitions to clay. So ABS, what I'm looking out for in this is any kind of stagnant water. Because typically with ABS you won't see root intrusions, you won't see cracks within the line. Typically more of a sloping issue that becomes a problem if they do not compact the dirt properly, and then after they lay down the line there could be a sloping issue. And as you can see here, there's actually water currently being ran, so none of this is actually stagnant water, it's just somebody running a water fixture within the house. And I'm pulling back slowly just to make sure every time we pull back we can see the water is actually traveling forward. Again, it's most likely because there's a kitchen sink or a bathroom sink running. With about 8 feet remaining, we're getting close to the end of the sewer line video. Making our way back from the turn. And this concludes the inspection of the main sewer line. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.